I purchased the Aspen because I heard great reviews. With allergy season coming, and my husband and my daughter both have terrible allergies, I figured I'd give it a try. I've definitely noticed a difference with the indoor air quality since purchasing the Aspen. In the morning, not so much postnasal drip, itchy throats. Everyone has woken up feeling great. It's really been life-changing. I've definitely noticed since we got the Aspen that with a very shedding dog, there's not a lot of the dog dander. It doesn't smell like a dog. The air quality is definitely much cleaner. It's fabulous. I would definitely recommend the Aspen to friends, to family, to strangers. I think everyone needs one. It's definitely makes a difference.